Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a special recipe to share with you guys. They are called sago or mishti, and they are super delicious. They are also really easy to make and taste so good. You'll need half a cup of sago, half a cup of coconut flakes, 1/8 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add the coconut, add the milk, add the sugar, mix it all together. Add your sago. Add it in water and let it soak for 30 minutes. This is so the sago can turn soft. 30 minutes later, add in both mixtures together. Add in the flour. Mix it all together. Shape them and put them in the oil. Don't forget to keep turning them. Don't forget to watch the full video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye and enjoy.